As the first shovels of dirt were uplifted and overturned, family members cheered. In the next year, they will all be residing in their new homes. Each of them helped to build.
And so they'll be putting about 1,400 hours of sweat equity per house. And the beauty of it is nobody moves in till they're all complete.
Over the next few months, these families will put in about 70% of the labor.
I cannot wait. I'm so excited to start building. Really, really excited. It's finally here now.
I mean, this is going to be your house right here. Tell me how excited you guys are about this.
Very excited.
Super excited.
Well, this program just gives us an opportunity to build our home together.
Many of these families have waited a year going through the approval process, knowing the wait will be worth it. The families all received USDA low-interest loans, which they will pay back over the next 33 years. For many, it's an opportunity they otherwise couldn't afford.
One of the things I like about this program is, we don't consider it necessarily a handout. We consider it a hand up, help you, be successful, achieve the American dream of homeownership for very low income and low income families.
I think the house cost was about $218 for a 2,200 square foot house, which is unheard of, absolutely unheard of. All the other stuff we've been looking at, we've been looking to buy a house in the last little bit, and everything else was around $300,000 at least to start, and they were old houses too. So
they really want you to stay in your home. They're not going to foreclose like a lot of the lenders and things used to. There's options to make sure you stay in that home that's your home. So that's the beautiful thing about it.
Over the last 20 years, the SelfHelp Homes program has helped build close to 450 homes. There's a lot of sweat equity that goes into them.
They do all the framing, they install the cabinets, they paint, they landscape, not in that order, but they put in a lot of that sweat equity to lower the principal on their mortgage.
The future homeowners can pick from various floor plans that are assigned to different lots. Each of these families like what they are soon to build.
The lot is one of the biggest features on this property because of the view. And then it gives me kind of a yard to add a shop that I need.
a lot of the lot is a mountain, but it's going to be a fun thing to have, and we get to look outside and look at all this awesome scenery out here and everything.
The walkout basement is our favorite feature.
Yeah. That's what was a must-have for our house.
Along with their new home, the Bouchards plan on starting a new family, and their dog Lucy will soon have her own backyard. The estimated move-in date will be sometime this fall or early winter. Natalia is hoping it will be just in time for her birthday. But you want to have this house done by your birthday, right?
Yes.
In September.
Definitely by September.
SelfHelp Homes procures the ground. We're actually developing a subdivision in Toquerville right now with 16 lots. We're like anybody else, just have to find the ground and we'll secure it. And then we look for families to qualify. As soon as we have enough that will fill a group, we'll close and they'll start building.
Surrounded by other self-help built homes in this LaVerkin neighborhood, these soon-to-be new neighbors will all share at least one thing in common. They all help build their own homes and their neighbors' homes.
It's just very exciting. This is a great neighborhood to have 4 of these beautiful homes. It adds so much to LaVerkin.
And it really does build a community. And as many of the homeowners here will attest that have built their homes through the program also.
Really passionate about building, so now we get to build our home together as a family and help others build their homes and build a community. So
I'm really, really excited. Yep, it's going to be great for us. So.
In LaVerkin, Melissa Anderson, CEC News.